Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic concept tutorials how to copy a part. For example, I will create new document, click create. So we're waiting to go into Onshape drawing area. You can click assembly in here and then we need to insert parts into this assembly file. You can use this icon insert. I will use other documents and then I will insert this part. Click and then you can click OK. Now if you want to copy this part, you can select part and you can right click in here, choose copy part and click in here, right click and paste part 1 like this. If you want to copy again this part, you can select and right click, choose copy part 1, 2 and then I will click at this point, right click and paste part 1, 2. Okay, that's it. How to copy a part in Onshape. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.